Imagine driving down the highway with your family. Suddenly, you hear a hollow knocking sound. Seconds later, the engine seizes and smoke starts pouring from the hood. This isn't a horror movie. This is the reality for millions of Hyundai and Kia owners. Welcome back to Overdrive Engineering. Today, we are dissecting the Theta II GDI engine disaster. Used in the Sonata, Santa Fe, Optima, and Sorento, this engine has a fatal manufacturing defect. During production, metal shavings from the machining process were left inside the crankshaft oil passages. These razor-sharp metal fragments restrict oil flow to the connecting rod bearings. The result is inevitable. The bearings are starved of lubrication. Friction builds up. The metal heats to extreme temperatures until the connecting rod fuses to the crankshaft or shatters completely, punching a hole through the engine block. In many cases, leaking oil hits the hot exhaust, causing the car to burst into flames. Hyundai and Kia have recalled over 5 million vehicles. They installed a knock sensor detection system software update, but software cannot fix a physical defect. It just puts the engine into limp mode before it explodes. If you own a Theta II engine, listen for the knock of death, check your oil constantly, and park outside away from your house. Do you trust Korean engineering? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Overdrive for more mechanical nightmares.